What are you doing?
We're dismantling the most sophisticated sentient weapon ever made.
Fission's not a weapon. You can't do this.
In fact, it is our legal and ethical obligation.
I just want to bury him. That's all I want.
Are you sure?
Excuse me?
Not everyone has the kind of power that could bring their soulmate back online. Forgive me. Back to life.
No, I can't do that. It's not why I'm here.
Okay. I cannot allow you to take $3 billion worth of vibranium just to put it in the ground. So, the best I can do is let you say goodbye to him here.